Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this account. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free $100,000 Profit account, and note this, it is also a challenge account that comes with a huge amount of cash prize that you can be able to get, and it is also backed up with a lot of bonuses. The terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to get them will be explained in the middle of this video. All you have to do is to make sure that you pay attention and watch this video to the very end. And if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like my video and share it with your friend so that they also can benefit from what I'll be sharing on this channel. Alright, now to proceed into claiming this bonus, the first thing you have to do is for you to go to the description of this video. A link will be available for you there, or the comment section. So once you get to the comment section or the description, just click on the link and you will be redirected back to my Telegram channel. And also in my Telegram channel, there are a lot of beneficial things that you can get there. For example, you can be able to withdraw money every day because money making update will be dropped there every single day. So if you know that you are interested in making money every day, just join my Telegram channel. So once you click on the link and you are being redirected back to my Telegram channel, you will see the link to be able to get this free $100,000 Profit account, challenge account. So once you click on it, you'll be redirected back to this interface showing up right here on the screen. And as you all know, if you are not new to my YouTube channel or my Telegram channel, you know the drill. Once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your first name, your last name, and fill in the necessary details. So once you are done, all you have to do is to accept the terms and conditions by clicking on this box. Make sure that they are marked with a green color. And once you are done, come below and click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, let me just do mine and I will get back to you in order for you to know what's next for you to do. So once you are done, you'll be brought to this interface whereby you have to sign in. So what you'll be doing right now is for you to enter the email and the password that you used to register the other time. All right. So right now, enter your email and your password. And once you are done, click on sign in. Don't forget, this Profem account, this challenge account requires no KYC. And I will also be showing you the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw. So make sure you stick to the end of this video. So now enter your email and the password and click on sign in. As you can see, right now we have been signed in into where we are going to be getting our free $100,000 challenge account. So now make sure you pay attention because this place you really need to pay attention so that you can be able to get it, so that you won't forfeit your chance of getting this challenge account. So now once you get to this interface, all you have to do is to scroll down, and you can also go through some things if you want to. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. As you can see, I'm scrolling down a lot. So this is where we are heading to. As you can see over here, let me circle it for you so that you can see clearly. So as you can see over here, this is it. Click on join contest. So once you click on join contest, the next thing for you to do is for you to go back to your email account. So once you get to your email account, your login credentials for you to be able to log in on your MT5 Trader app will be sent there, because the platform that we are going to be using to trade this account is our MT5 Trader app. So right now I'll be showing you how you can log in your challenge account on your MT5 Trader app. So make sure you pay attention. So the next thing for you to do is to go to your email to go and get your credentials so that you can be able to log in on your MT5 Trader app. So as you can see, this is me right here in my email account, and as you can see, the reason why I'm blocking it from you guys is because of security purpose. But as you can see right here on my screen, this is our login credentials for MT5 Trader app. So right now, let me show you how you can log in your challenge account into your MT5 Trader app. So as you can see, this is the name of the server, and what you have to do is to make sure that you memorize the name of the server, because it will be needed once you get your MT5 Trader app. So as you can see, this is the name of their server, FXPIG server. So make sure that you your login, copy your login. So go to your MT5 Trader app. So once you get to this place, the name of the server I told you to memorize the other time will be the name that you'll be entering into this box. So what you have to do is to enter the name of the server. So as you can see, now that I am done searching for the name of the server, it will bring out something like this. So just click on it. And once you click on it, you are going to be brought to this interface. So as you can see, in a space of login, just paste in what you copied the other time from your email account. So paste in your credentials and go back to your email to copy your password. Make sure you are paying attention to what I'm showing so that you will miss the chance of claiming this account. All right, so once you are done, click on password and paste in what you just copied from your email account. So once you click on it, come down below and click on login, and you'll be surprised with what you'll be getting. As you can see right here on our screen, we have been credited with 100,000 challenge account, and as you can see, this is it right here. So you can come down to charts below, to the space of charts, and you can analyze your market and click on trade. And I want you to know that this account can only start functioning by September. You can't start trading right now, and that is the reason why they don't allow us to start trading right now. So now I'll be showing you the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit from this challenge account. And also, this challenge account will be available every single month. You'll be getting a free funded of $100,000 for you to start trading every single month. All right, so now let's talk about the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit from these challenge accounts. So for you to get the terms and condition, all you have to do is to go back to your dashboard, and once you get to your dashboard, scroll down to where you click on join contest the other time and click on read the rules. So once you click on it, as you can see, this is it over here. These are the competition rules, and the rule number one is 5% max daily drawdown, 10% max trading drawdown, zero minimum trading for days, and EAS is not allowed. All right, so these are the rules for the challenge account that we are about to claim. So now let's talk about the profit that you'll be able to get. So for the first position, you'll be going home with a free profit of $400,000. All right, and for the second, these are the profit and the cash price that you'll be going home with. So this is it over here. So now that we are done, make sure that you go right now and claim these challenge accounts once you are done watching this video, because it will only be available for a minimum time. All right, so make sure you get your own right now, and don't forget to drop a comment below if you are able to get yours, so that the rest can know that this account is very free and it is very true. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you know that you're interested in making money for free in 2025, make sure you join my Telegram channel for more updates. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your trade.